Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up shipping rates in Woocommerce. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and head on to wordpress.com. Now, WordPress is integrated to Woocommerce, so you need to actually have a WordPress account in order for you to access Woocommerce. Now, I will be frankly honest with you that in order to access Woocommerce right here, you need to have an pay account. So you must pay for an account or upgrade your plan in WordPress in order for you to access Woocommerce. So let's say you have already upgraded your plan and WordPress, and now you can actually set up Woocommerce. So for this one, just go to Woocommerce right about here. Just click on that, and next is you want to go to orders right here. So once you have done that, this is where you can actually have some tools for your store. So you can have Zapier, you can have Google Products Feed, you can have table rate shipping, shipping carrier extensions, and shipping tracking. So you can actually install any of this for your order application. So I'm not going to focus on that because I want to focus on how to add shipping rates. So first, all you need to do is go to products right here. And once you're in the product section, you can now actually add a new product. So for now, let's just add a new product right here. For example, let's just delete this real quick, or not. So next, I'm just gonna add new product right here, or you can actually import a product from a drop shipping website. So for now, I'm just gonna add a new product. So first, to add a new product, for example, we are selling this product number 1 right about here. And next is to add media. So you need to add pictures of your product. So let's just say, for example, I'm gonna select a photo right here. So for example, this is the photo right about here. So as you can see, it is now done. Let's just name the title of our product. So for example, this is product 1, the caption, and you can actually say what is the description of the product. So I'm just going to say description right about here. And next is to attach display settings. So you can actually adjust the alignment, the link of the product right here, and of course the size. So for now, if you have done that, just click on insert into products. So next, as you can see, there you have it. So next here, we will be now shipping or setting our price. So under the general right here, you can now set your price. So for example, our product costs around $2 right about there. There you have it. So our regular price is $2, and our sale price, you can actually have it to $1. So you can actually have a schedule on when you want to have your sale occur. So once we have done that, let's go to inventory right here, and now you can have an SKU. So an SKU means a stock keeping unit, so how many stocks you actually have, so right about there. And the stock management, you can actually track stock quantity for this product. If you want to check on that, just click on that, and now enter how many quantities of product you have right about now. So for now, I'm just gonna say 10. And here you can actually allow back orders. So if you don't want to do that, just click on do not allow. But if you prefer that, just click on allow. And if you allow but notify customer, you can just click on this one right here. So for now, I'm just gonna head on do not allow. And next is the low stroke threshold. So you can actually so this means that when a product stock reaches this amount, you'll be notified by email. It is possible to define different values for each variation individually. The stop default value can be set in settings, product, and inventory. So if you want to do that, just do this real quick. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as it is right about there. And next, you can actually limit purchases to 1 item per order. So if a certain customer will order a certain product from your store, you can actually limit them from doing so. Or you can actually have limit them to 1 item per order or per purchase. So if you want to do that, just click on this. So if not, just don't do that. And next, here it is. We will be setting our shipping. So for now, this is the shipping right here. You can actually have a weight, like for example, how many how much weight you have right now, or how much weight is the shipping for about now. So I'm just gonna say, let's say $10, and the length you can actually have just for example some 555. And now next it's the shipping class, so you can actually click on the drop down right here, so just select on the shipping class. So next is we have to link products. So as you can see, you can actually link some products to your own right about there. So for now, if you want to link on that, just you can search for a product right here, and you can actually have some cross sell, so just right about there. And next is the attributes. So the attributes is to add descriptive pieces of information that customers can use to search for this product on your store as material or brand. So you can actually click on the drop down right here and click on add if you want to. So for example, the name of the product that I can have is, let's say, a yellow bag right about here. You can enter options for customers to choose from, like for example, yellow large, yellow small, just about that. You can actually do that to any of these products right here. So there you have it. And next is the advanced. So you can actually have a purchase note or a menu order, or you can actually click on enable reviews right here. So if you want to do that, just you can actually do that on the advanced option right here. And lastly is the get more options right about here. So as you can see, these are some recommended extensions like additional variation images. You can name your price, you can one-page checkout, you can minimum maximize quantity. So if you want to do this, or you can just simply browse on all extensions right here. And as you can see, these are some WooCommerce extensions you can actually use in your WooCommerce page. So just look into this as you will right about here. And there you have it. And the last thing you want to do is to click on publish right here. And once you are done with that, you will now be leaded to this section right here. And as you can see, we have now published our product. So that's about it. So if you want to set up shipping rate automatically, you can actually do that when somebody orders, or when somebody actually purchases or orders your product. So the important thing about this video is to set up the shipping right here, and you can actually have a virtual or downloadable right here. So that's about it. And as you can see, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!